Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to create and use labels in our Gmail inbox. So labels are an interesting feature about organizing different messages you may have in your inbox. I show you guys how to do that. You just need to open up Gmail, click on the setting gear icon and select see all settings. In here you just need to select the labels tab and you just need to select show in all of these in all mails as well, all mails scheduled and send important and stored. You just need to select the show option and after that select inbox. Now if you want to create a new label, you just need to select this icon over here, plus icon, and you just need to enter a label name. For example, I just doing summer holidays. After that you just need to select create, and then if you want to have certain labels for certain emails you have received, you just need to check mark the mail, and after that you just need to select the label icon or here labels, select it, and you can select the labels you wanted and select apply, and after that the mail has been added to the label guys. Now I show you guys another way to add this. You just need to drag and drop a mail to the label, and that has been into the labels folder guys. If you want to color this label, then you just need to select the three dot icon next to it and select a label color and select the color you want it. I'm gonna go with blue, and after that the email of the label will be seen here. And now if you want to delete this label, you just need to select the three dot icon next to it and select remove label and select delete, and this doesn't delete the email, it just delete the label guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.